Good afternoon, Bay Area. This is Lori Shepherd from Caltrans with an update on the US 101 northbound connector route to northbound Central Freeway. Project crews have been hard at work all weekend long. Look at this exciting overhead footage from today. The project is on schedule to reopen the connector route early Monday morning. Now, as far as activities in San Francisco, the city is still open. We want you to come in. But if you're heading in to the Hardly Strictly Bluegrass Festival or to Berkeley, please plan ahead and take BART or Muni if you can. We have detours in place. If you have questions, we got you covered. You can reach us on our hotline or visit our website, sfhighwayprojects.com. I'm Lori Shepherd from Caltrans, wishing you a very pleasant evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.